Okay, folks, welcome back. We're looking at forming equations today. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I think of a number. I add 6 and the answer is 31. Some of you probably know the answer mentally in your head. But what we're concentrating on today is the technique of changing English into maths. So let's have a go at that. So I think of a number. What should we call I think of a number? We should call I think of a number. We call that our x. Well, we don't know. What a box you want to put down there. Then it says I add 6. Now that's quite simple to write. Add 6 looks like that. Okay, and the answer and the keyword here is. The answer is means equals. And the answer is. So we're saying that all the English means equal. And 31 we just copied and 31. Are we happy with that so far, Mr. Ismail?
Yeah.
Because you knew as well, yeah? So you pay attention, yeah? So I want to work out this value that we don't know. After adding 6, we give you 31. So opposite of adding 6, Ismail, what's opposite adding 6? Minus 6. So we copy down the x over here, copy down the equal over here, and 31 minus 6 will give us? Well done. Have you got all that down? Written it all down? Write it all down.
Yeah.
Okay, next one. Anam. I think of a number. What should we call it? Anam.
I think of a number.
Call it?
X.
X.
Or box.
Or a box. I multiply by 7. That looks nice and simple. That is just time by 7. And what's this? And the answer and the keyword here is? And the answer is. What does that mean? That means? Equals. And the 77, you just copy it down. Now, if I want to solve that, Anam, and I want to work out the x. X has been timed by 7. We grab the time by 7. And the opposite of time by 7 is? Opposite of time by 7 is? Divide by 7. Yeah? So you just say out that. So x is equal to 77 divided by 7, which is?
11.
11. Of course, not that. Yeah? We're changing English into maths and then we solve it. Okay, the next question, Ismail, is your question. I think of a number. What do we call that, Ismail?
X.
Lovely. Next part, I divided by 8.
I divide
Divide by 8. And the answer is, what does that mean?
equal.
And 64 gets copied down as 64. Next. Okay, now go through with me. I want to work out the x. I don't want x divided by 8. So we grab the divide by 8. And we take it to the other side. It becomes a? Opposite divide by 8 is? Times. Opposite divide is times. Okay. So copy the x under the x. So 64 times by 8.
512.
Well done. Is that right, Mr. Moise?
Yeah.
Beautiful. Anam, you try the last one now. Yours. So Anam, next one we're going to go for is I think of a number. What do you call that?
A box or an X.
Or box or an x. I subtract 7. Shh. Not Xbox. That's something completely different. Take away 7. And the answer is?
The equal.
And 7, you just copy it down. So x minus 7 is 7. Now, Anam, help me solve it now. I want to work out the value of x. X has been minus by 7. I'll grab the minus 7. I take it to the other side. Opposite of minus 7 is?
Add 7.
Shh, Anam, please. So x, Anam will then become 7 add 7 is?
14.
14. Well done. Excellent. Okay, that's the end of the short video first of all.